Micron is a manufacturer of memory chips, dynamic random access memory, NOT and flash memory, SSD drives, and CMOS sensors. At the same time, the company is engaged in the independent production of its microcircuits, so it doesn't place orders for other industries, which is widespread in the sector. And now, due to the extremely high demand for chips, Micron can plan its profit for a long time ahead. This is one of their competitive advantages. The industry is cyclical since memory and storage are commodities. In other words, their prices are governed by demand and supply. There are boom and burst cycles, so do not focus on just 1 year of boom or burst cycle. On March 29, the company released its financial statements. During the conference call, management representatives in particular said that by the end of 2022, record growth in indicators is expected against the backdrop of increased demand and limited supply in the memory chip market. Micron's earnings reports are another confirmation that there is a chip shortage, and apparently it will continue until the end of 2022. Then we will see. Intel CEO believes semiconductor shortage will now drift into 2024. In recent years, the memory chip market has consolidated into a very small group. This is extremely important because the combination of this consolidation as well as the systematic growth in demand for memory has created favorable conditions for the growth of Micron. This has been the reason why the company has been profitable for several years now. The industry is very promising. Digital transformation and artificial intelligence applications require huge amounts of memory to store data. Micron will be one of the main beneficiaries from 5G, AI, metaverse, data center expansion, cloud adoption, and we should not forget about the automotive industry. The demand for semiconductors, including memory, has grown many times in recent years from the industry. Automobiles account for 10% of Micron's revenue last quarter, and it's because electric vehicles require much more memory and content to store. Another positive side is that the company is cheap and does not have high debts. Forward price earnings ratio 7.3 and price to sales 2.5 for a technology company seems good. Right now everything looks positive, but the cyclicality will return. A drop in demand for chips in the future is the main risk for the company. Today the global chip shortage boosted profits of such companies, but many investors fear about a possible drop in demand for chips. This is an important risk.